Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is very late, and if you're curious about what the heck is going on my lips, go check out my previous video about my first impressions on this Maybelline Python lip product. I'll link the video below if I remember, because sometimes I don't. But anyways, this video is long overdue. This is my December MiamMiam holiday box. I chose not to get the regular December MiamMiam snack box. I decided to get the special one-time only holiday box, which is $60. It came with free shipping, and I had no idea what to expect. So it was the first time that this came around for me, and so I was like, you know what, why not? We will see what it's like. So yeah, I had no idea what to expect. So I opened it up, and there was some bubble wrap and stuff. This came in the early December, like December 15th. It came in this silver box. And this would be a great box to gift to somebody, especially someone who is into fancy foods. It's a little bit more upscale compared to the regular snack box. So right on top we have Joyeux Noël, which is Merry Christmas in French. We have two little cards, not in Dieu. These were in previous MiamMiam snack box, so I have these already. And then this is what was inside the box, which, to be honest, when I opened it up, was a little underwhelming. You know, this was a $60 box, so to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I mean, I guess it's pretty standard full-size items for their regular boxes, like their MiamMiam snack box. I get their biggest one they have, and I get 6 full-size items. So the number 6 seems fine, but for this to be double that price, and for a special holiday box, I was kind of disappointed in the fact that there was only 6 items in here. There really wasn't much information on the website about what was in the box. I couldn't really find out about previous boxes for the previous years. And I know they have a gourmet box, which I haven't looked too much into, and I know that they're a little bit more pricey than the regular MiamMiam box, and they have about 6 items. So I wasn't sure at first. I'm like, is this an accidental gourmet box? I was a little disappointed, but I didn't know what to expect. So I'll show you what the item. Let me caveat this. I did already open this up a little bit. I couldn't wait. I didn't try any of the items, but I did already open it up and see what was in here because I can't wait. Okay, so the first thing in here is pain d'épices figue et noix. It is a spice cake with hazelnuts and or nuts and figs. So expires 2/27/18. Biscuitière Le Coquel. Guess a little thing about it. 9% fig. Wow, that's a lot. So I'm excited to finally try this little fig bread. Next in here is Fleur de Sel, by Le Saunier de Camargue. It's great for fish. I'm just reading the back. Let me open it and see what it looks like. The one thing I do know about salt is that, like, one type of salt is not for everything. Oh, it smells like the sea, but not in like a fishy way, but like just like fresh, like in the south of France. Oh. I'm gonna try a little bit. Wow. That's gonna be real interesting to put on stuff, yeah. Fancy sea salt. Alright, next in here is by Maison Taillefer. Guimauve framboise. These look like raspberry marshmallows. Like gourmet marshmallows. Oh, these are so good. Oh, and you can see the bits of raspberry in there. Oh, these are heavenly. Oh. Those are so good. Wow. Oh, this is why this box was 60 bucks. Not something I would eat, but my boyfriend really did. Bloc de foie gras de canard au sel de Guérande by Le Nordi Prestige pour 3 personnes. So this is for 3 people, this little can. And this is foie gras, duck foie gras. And if you don't know what foie gras is, it is, I don't know if I want to ruin it for you. Foie gras is a delicacy. It is expensive. You can't really find it outside many countries other than France, because a lot of people don't believe in the practices of foie gras. It's duck liver. Or it's liver, I believe, and this is duck liver. And a lot of times they kind of fatten up the liver. It's supposed to be like a super delicacy. I've never had it. I'm just not my thing. But there we go. Next thing in here is, yeah, you take that or leave that. Favol les gourmandines crème marron vanille. This looks like a caramel sauce. Do you have to refrigerate this after opening? Cane sugar marron. What's marron again? The type of nut, I think. Oh, I can't remember. I used to know. Oh, à déguster sur des crêpes en tiramisu pour accompagner ce glace ou pour les aromatiser les gâteaux. So it's a good taste. Yeah, it's a good accompaniment. I feel like it's a type of nut. Like a walnut, maybe? Marron? Chestnut, maybe? That's what it looks like. There's something weird on there, too. Probably a piece of cream. Chestnut? I think marron is chestnut. Maybe? Maybe. Kind of a mapley. That's interesting. Not caramel. Caramel. And then last but not least is Holiday Acacia de Bourgogne. This is honey. And look at how clear, like honey from different regions, because the bees pollinate different flowers, taste different. Like that light. Ooh, wow. It's very light. Very sweet, but not sweet in a way. So that's interesting. So that's it for this holiday box. Yeah, it's a really gourmet box, like super fancy stuff. Much different than the snack box that I'm accustomed to getting. The marshmallows, these are fancy. These are fun. You know, I'm excited about like the honey and the salt. The fig cake we'll try. The foie gras, not up my alley, but you know, someone who'll try it. This just like paste thing, cream thing. I don't know what to think about that. I don't know. So, I mean, for 60 bucks, I'm kind of like, it's a little bit steep. But I wanted to try it. I wanted to see what it was like. I may or may not get it next year again, for their holiday box. I kind of wish there was a little bit more, maybe one other thing. But I mean, to be honest, I didn't know what to expect. So I can't be super disappointed because I do understand the value of some of this stuff. I mean, this foie gras alone will run you $15. So that I get. So it's just one of those, I just didn't know what to expect kind of things. And sometimes it's quality over quantity, and in this case it's quality. So it just because it's more money doesn't mean you're going to get more items. So it was definitely something really interesting to try. If you know someone who's like a super foodie who would love these, like it's a great assortment of stuff, like different varieties of like culinary things. This would be a great box to gift at the holiday time. It does come before Christmas, so this would be a great gift item. I'm sure the items change, but they're still in that sort of gourmet, super gourmet type things. So that is a good plus. But so yeah, I'm still really undetermined about it. I guess I don't really know. I know that's not a really good answer, but I don't. So yeah, but I look forward to my Miam Miam snack box that's coming up for January, because that's always fun to look forward to. And yeah, I guess that, you know what it is at the end of the day? I'm not a big gourmet food person. I just haven't expanded my palate that way yet, so that's why it's hard to tell. But so enough rambling. I'm really still excited about those marshmallows. They're probably gonna be gone in like 15 minutes. But yeah, that's it. So I know this video came up like a month after I got the box, but better late than never. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!